channel. In today's video, I'm going to convert this beautiful saree into a beautiful dress, which was requested by one of my viewers, and I'm really very sorry I kind of delayed it a lot because I could not find the perfect fabric for that dress, and I still could not find that fabric, so I'm using this saree to make it and without getting more delayed. So let's start the tutorial.
I got the saree from Amazon and my sole motive to buy the saree was to make a dress out of it because of two reasons. First, generally in Georgette it is very difficult to get a floral prints, but you will still find the Georgette floral dresses and sarees. Second, you will notice that 5.5 meter overall print saree will be much cheaper than buying 5.5 meter fabric by meters. First of all, I am going to cut the bottom part of the dress, which is a full circular skirt, so I have folded the fabric in 4 layers. I am not going to use too much mats here because I am doubling my waist so that I can put gathers at my waist. I just kept the measuring tape in circular shape and checked the inches I required and mark it. As I am keeping the length of the dress as long as possible, I am taking the full length and cutting it. When we cut a circular skirt, it is very important to hang it overnight because the fabric is biased now and it tends to flow down its weaving from some parts, and due to which we get uneven hem. Now I am leaving this overnight and we'll come back to this later. Today I am not taking any pattern for this dress but a fitted kurta. Fold the kurta or a cotton top in half and put it over a 4-layer folded lining or the main fabric if you are not using the lining. Trace the borders like this, add margins and cut it. To make the front pattern out of these two, I am cutting the neck and the armhole deeper for front. Now taking these lining bodies as pattern and cutting the main fabric. I am showing you a very easy method to stitch. Once the bodies are cut, we will stitch these from the shoulders separately for lining and the main fabric. Now cut the sleeves in the same way as we cut the bodies. As I am going to attach the flounce in the sleeve, I am keeping the length of the straight sleeve till my elbow and deeper the armhole for the front. I'm cutting the flounce in the same way, but I folded the fabric like you fold a hanky, so I won't get any side opening. Now is the time to cut the lining for the bottom skirt. I'm cutting the lining in A shape. I have used 2.5 meter fabric for lining, so I don't have enough fabric to cut it in a circular shape, but if you have, you can cut the circular skirt for lining as well. To cut this, you just need waist and length measurements and give some round shape from the hem. Here I have already attached the shoulders of the lining and the main fabric, and now I am stitching the neck of the lining and the main fabric together so that I can turn it inside out. Now make some slashes on the neckline and iron it neatly. If you wish, you can attach the lining and the main fabric together from the sides before joining them together. I'm going to attach the zipper on the left side, but before that I wanted to check the fittings and put the darts. After that I will open left side and attach the zipper. Once I close all the darts for front and the back, I am attaching the zipper on the left side. Before I say my bodice is ready, I have to prepare the sleeves. Joining the sides of the sleeves, making gathers in the flounce and attaching it with the sleeves. And now joining it with the bodice. My bodice is ready. To the skirt, you can see how uneven is the hem. So to correct this, I have pinned the right length and will cut the extra part. joining the sides of the bottom lining, leaving some space on the left side for the zipper. Now stitching one side of the main fabric skirt before I start making gathers. Once I'm done with the gathers, I adjust it according to the waist measurements and fixed it with a stitch. Time to join the skirt lining with the main fabric skirt and join the sides, leaving the space for the zipper. Attaching the borders with the skirt and stitching the zipper further into the skirt. Folding the hem of the skirt lining. For finishing the hem of the main fabric skirt, I have attached a bias tape of the lining fabric. Sorry, my camera battery ran out, so I could not shot this, but I have just stitched one side of the bias strip to the hem of the skirt, fold it and iron it. Now making the top stitch to fix it. If you can picot the hem of the sleeves flounce, that's great, otherwise you can fold it as well. This is what I have left from the whole saree. And here is the outcome.
For watching my video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram account. And if you have any question related to this, don't hesitate to comment down below, or you can send me a message on Instagram account. If you happen to make this dress, please don't forget to tag me on your post. I will definitely love to watch it. Till then, stay connected, spread love. Sayonara.